In today's video guys, I will be showing to you an upcoming play to earn NFT game in Binance Smart Chain, and it is called Satoshi Monsters. Okay, so this is a very early stages of the game, so make sure to keep in touch into their Telegram group, which I'm also going to attach into the description box below and also show it to you later on. But first of all, before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates. So let's just jump right into it, okay? So Satoshi Monsters is a tower defense created with rewards in cryptocurrencies, a game that uses the powerful technology of blockchain together with the Binance Smart Chain protocol. So there are more than 120 epic monsters, there are more than 70 plus types of towers, and there are more than 25 skills that will be available inside the game. So actually this is the teaser video that they've already created. So this is it. So Infinity Roach presents Satoshi Monsters, okay? So you can play either computer or player by player. So it is a blockchain game again with rewards in cryptocurrencies, and yep, building on a BSC network. So let me just, okay. So you see, this is a tower defense game, okay? Boom! So this is the what they call that. This is the slogan that they have is when you're winning, you will be rewarded in Satoshi Monster token. So make sure to check this one out as well. So let's go forward into the white paper. I think this is very important for most of the people inside or who are watching this video. So you will be able to see the gameplay into this tab right here. So your objective is of course to prevent these hordes to come into to your base, because once it already reaches your base, okay, I think you will be deducted with the life points or HP bar if they have it already here. But I think into this part right here, the moment that this hordes being able to advance on the map and destroy the base, then probably it's a game over for you, okay? So at the beginning of the game, you must choose either one type of element and 3 variable towers of that type. So each element changes a lot the skill and how to play with your tower. Over time, you will be able to equip up to 8 types of towers in the main line, so be careful and also choose the correct tower and fail to get a good card, okay? So even though it is a tower defense and you just want to prevent these hordes to enter these what they call that, these barriers right here, your main objective is of course is to formulate first a strategy. When you've already formulate it, you just deploy it, you just leveling up your towers and everything. And of course this is how to play. Again, you get a tower, you destroy as many enemies as you can, and then for every enemy killed at the end of the level, you will receive a reward in SSM, so you can exchange it directly for real money. So this is in Binance Smart Chain, so you can into the future you will be able to exchange these SSM tokens into a USDT, into a BNB, or any form of major cryptocurrencies as long as the liquidity is there and it is already available, okay? So for the rewards, okay, so based on the liquidity of their SSM token, they will offer really generous rewards. And remembering that all purchase towers generate 90% liquidity for the ecosystem. Based on the more users that the game has, the greater the gains, okay? So I feel like into this part right here, since they are basing these purchase towers generate 90% liquidity for the ecosystem, you will be, the more people that will be going inside this game, then the more SSM tokens that will be able to get in your case. So you can have an access to the token in advance, and it is always good to remember that tokens from this category of games reach more than 1000% valorization after the game's release. Okay, so there are 4 main components into the Satoshi Monsters. So the first one is the enemies. So this is the beautiful NFT art graphic that they have created before. They also have a land which you can be earning passive income here into this land. So this is just a beginner explanation on the land, but usually lands is more like you don't even need to play the game. All you just need to do is just buy the land, let the other people work for you into your land as well. Okay, so there will be also a towers inside this game. So this is the sample of the towers, and there are a lot of towers that you can build, okay, depending on what you actually like. So this is the look of the towers, but the official like what they call that, the official statistics or description of each tower will be released soon. So as you can see here, the guidebook will be released soon. So that's just what I've said. And also this is the skills that will be coming soon as well. So they're looking to unfold more stuff going on into the future. Okay, so it's pretty much not good to miss this one into this part. Okay, so for the token distribution, 40% is automatically being inputted into the rewards on the game. 20% will be allotted on the pre-sale. 28% will be allotted on the liquidity pools. 5% will be allotted into the developers, and 2% for the airdrop. So there are more than 300 million supply of SSM token inside this game. So make sure to check this one out as well. Okay, so in terms of token circulation, so this is a brief infographic on how does the token circulates. Of course, it is because token circulation, this is how it circulates, how it actually moving inside this game. So this is the buy, the token contract, you will be sending it, and then for the marketing, the price listing, and for you to be to sell it, you will be also equivalent into a 6% tax fee. Okay, so this is also a good sign for every games that are launching this kind of project. It is because if you are giving or you are putting some tax into people who are selling, then more money that will be allotted into the liquidity, because of course liquidity is very important in terms of the rewards and in terms of the player earn gaming as well. So they have an IDO which will going to come soon, and the public sale. So first of all, let me just invite you into their official Satoshi Monsters Telegram group. So you might see that it is not that being managed well, but in my case, they are just really focusing into the output, into the value, and into the game itself. They will be able to fix everything later on because they're just starting. So make sure to give them chance, and also do not slip into this game as well, because Satoshi Monsters, it is really interesting name. Also tower defense. So tower defense is very what do you call that? There's only few projects that are doing a tower defense, and creating a tower defense game is pretty much hard and also challenging for some developers out there. Even though it is an expert or an advanced developer, it is still challenging because you are using blockchain technology, which is entirely different from the normal coding that you're doing into any some sort of a code. So make sure to check this one out as well. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe, of course, into my YouTube channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates, and see you on the next video.